Welcome friends to Literature Mantra. I'm Harsh Singh. Now, if you're preparing for CUET PG English for this year 2024, we are starting a crash course, a 1-month crash course. And if you know, exam will be held in मार्च, ठीक है. सो एक महीने से लगभग थोड़ा सा ज्यादा है आपके पास. सो इफ यू वांट टू फाइन ट्यून योर प्रिपरेशन, द चांस इज नाउ दिस इज द वेबसाइट ऑफ एनटीए जो कि नोटिफिकेशन है, ठीक है. इसमें डेट शीट आप देख सकते हो एग्जाम की. इट विल बी हेल्ड टेंटेटिवली इन मार्च, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज द ब्रोशर दैट एनटीए हैज रिलीज्ड, ठीक है, फॉर द CUET PG एग्जाम्स. एंड इन केस यू आर ऑल्सो अप्लाइंग फॉर Delhi University has also released its brochure. So along with applying to CUET PG, मतलब एनटीए के वेबसाइट पे तो अप्लाई करना ही करना है आपको. साथ में if you intend to apply for Delhi University, you have to apply separately. Now you can find all of this on the NTA website or on the website of Delhi University, ठीक है. And let me also remind you that CUET PG में बहुत सारे universities participate कर रहे हैं इंडिया में. So it is not just Delhi University, but most of the major universities in India are participating. So with a single exam, you can clear and apply for many universities, ठीक है. So this is a great chance, a golden chance. Now before I explain to you the details of the crash course, ठीक है, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Telegram, ठीक है. This is the link, Harsh Singh Sir Official, and this is a small brief about me, ठीक है. And to enroll in the crash course, just WhatsApp us on our number 7678160296, ठीक है. और ये जो प्राइस है will provide you a coupon code using which you can get additional discount, ठीक है. All you have to do is just share the copy of your admit card और application form, ठीक है, जो आपने fill किया होगा. You will get 750 rupees discount, ठीक है. So you can access the crash course at a very affordable rate. Now what are the things that will be included in this crash course, ठीक है. Complete coverage of the syllabus will be there, ठीक है. So video explanations will be there, PDFs will be there, MCQ practice will be there, as well as doubt sessions. जो भी doubt है आपके, just WhatsApp us and message your doubts. We'll either message you back on WhatsApp itself or we'll organize a live class to clarify your doubts, ठीक है. Now ये जो price है, as I told you that if you share a copy of your admit card or application form, prices will fall and the final price that you have to pay is just 2999, ठीक है. We'll provide you a coupon code. वो coupon code आप apply करो, ठीक है. Just download the Literature Mantra app from Google Play Store, ठीक है. Apply the coupon code and this is the price that you have to pay, ठीक है. Remember, this is a 1-month crash course. एक महीने के अंदर MA English entrance clear करो and get admission in MA English. And for any other inquiries, just WhatsApp us on this number 7678160296, ठीक है.